Hey everyone! Looking to become rich fast? There's a better way. Wealth is created exponentially, not linearly. It's not just about the destination but the journey. Self-made millionaires follow a carefully orchestrated process, embracing trial, risk, hard work, and sacrifice. Skipping the process means missing out on the events. So what's the winning formula? It starts with your roadmap, your beliefs about wealth. You are the driver responsible for your journey. The roads you choose are the financial pathways you travel. And speed is key, going from idea to implementation. The fast lane demands sacrifices, but it's worth it. No one can do the journey for you. Change must come from your beliefs, and your roadmap outlines those beliefs. There are 3 roads: sidewalk, slow lane, and fast lane. Sidewalk is the mindset of quick pleasure and living off debt. Slow lane trades time for money, relying on a job and hoping for promotions. But the fast lane is about taking control, becoming an entrepreneur, and running a business. Wealth is created when you affect millions and solve problems. And to create a money tree, your business should fulfill a need, be scalable, and operate independently of your time. Remember the 5 commandments: control, entry, need, time, and scale. So if you're ready to ignite your passion, start your journey on the fast lane. Subscribe for more valuable content like this. Let's get rich together.